In this video, I show you how to fix Roblox. There was a problem in streaming data. Please reconnect Roblox Error Code 261 problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for Roblox app. Up to date, your Roblox app is available in any update version. Now search for 1.1.1 VPN. Install it. Now go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Roblox app. Click on Roblox. Click on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open 1.1 VPN app. Next, accept. Install VPN profile. OK. Not now. Then click on connect. Now open Roblox app. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix there is a problem streaming data. Please reconnect error code 261 problem on Roblox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.